take a little trip outside here. Everybody can get a nice glimpse of the flood. A little bit crazy, as you can see here. Mr. Insurance Guy, hope you cover some stuff. See, the boats are still over there somewhere. The cabins, they got hit really hard. You can see the watermark there on the barn to show it was about 2 feet higher than it is right now. About 3 inches of water on the deck. I shut off the propane tank, but you can see the line is floating, and so is the tank. Luckily I got a friend's waders. You can see all this damage here. Water goes over the bridge over there on Middle Valley Road. Our garden's shot now. Parts of the barn floating over here. Water's pretty cold, but everybody's safe. I'm gonna go take a little peek down back. He takes a video. Hey, Allie. Part of the cabin's gone. Part of the cabin's gone. The brown one, look, right there. There's a hole.
Oh, yeah. I don't remember what was back there.
It definitely wasn't a hole. Army Bridge.
Yeah. Coming out the front door here, generator, which we were going to use for if we had no power. Somehow we still have power, and it's underwater because we didn't get out fast enough. I'm going to go take a little walk around over here. Stuff we got floating around over here. I feel like Swamp Man. Where's Discovery Channel when you need them? Hopefully no snake jumps up and bites me in the ass. Like a propane tank over there. Pressure's getting a little deep. So much here.
Looks like a barn door over there. Not sure what that is actually over there, straight ahead. Looks like part of the barn might have collapsed. Looks like a tree fell on top of the backside of the barn. Actually, it looks like our barn is falling apart. Now that I'm looking at it a little bit more. Yeah, it looks like the barn is collapsing. Hard to see from here, but that backside of the main barn that's collapsing. Just general garbage laying around here. Still recording. There's me walking around. It's just in water up to my chest. Got a Ziploc bag on my phone. Good thing I put that plywood in front of the barn door. And I'll tell you one thing, that current was really strong. Alright, signing off for now.